Welcome again. Let's create feedback messages project in Fyne and Golang. Define the main package. Creating a new Fyne application. Creating a new window with the title Feedback Messages Example. Create an entry widget for user input. Setting a placeholder text for the entry widget. Create a label for feedback messages. Initializing an empty label to display feedback messages. Create a button to submit the form. Creating a submit button with a click handler. Check if the entry widget is not empty. Display success message. Display error message. Organize components in a vertical box layout. Adding the entry widget, submit button, and feedback label to the vertical box layout. Resize the window to 400 by 400 pixels. Display the window and start the application. Import all Fyne packages. Open the console and run the application.